Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1989 USA 1-cent coin. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your coin collecting journey, this video will provide you with an in-depth look at the value, rarity, historical background, and recent auction results of this iconic coin. We'll also explore how you might find valuable 1989 pennies worth thousands of dollars. So, let's get started. The 1989 Lincoln cent, commonly referred to as the penny, is an essential part of American coinage history. To understand its importance, we need to look at the broader historical context of its time. Economic and social context. The late 1980s were a period of economic transition in the United States, marked by technological advancements and significant political events. The economy was experiencing growth, driven by innovations in technology and finance, while the geopolitical landscape was influenced by the end of the Cold War. Minting and production. The 1989 penny was minted in two locations, Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D-mint mark. Each mint played a crucial role in meeting the nation's demand for 1-cent coins. The Philadelphia Mint, established in 1792, is the oldest mint in the United States. It's known for its extensive coin production capabilities and historical significance. The Denver Mint, established in 1906, is renowned for its high-quality coin production. Design and composition. The 1989 Lincoln cent features the iconic design by Victor David Brenner, which has been a staple of American currency since 1909. The obverse of the coin showcases a profile of Abraham Lincoln, while the reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo, introduced in 1959 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The 1989 penny is composed of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper, a composition that had been standard since 1982 when the mint changed from a predominantly copper coin to a predominantly zinc coin with a thin copper plating. The coin weighs 2.5 grams and has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. Collecting and numismatic significance. For collectors, the 1989 penny is more than just a piece of currency. It's a snapshot of American history and a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Collectors value these coins not only for their historical significance but also for their design and craftsmanship. Now, let's delve into the rarity and varieties of the 1989 penny. While millions of these coins were produced, certain varieties and errors make specific 1989 pennies highly sought after by collectors. General mintage numbers. The 1989 penny was produced in large quantities, with over 7.2 billion pennies minted in Philadelphia and over 5.3 billion in Denver. Despite these high mintage numbers, there are several varieties and errors that add rarity and value to certain 1989 pennies. One of the most notable varieties is the 1989 double die obverse, DDO, penny. This error occurs when the coin is struck more than once with a slight misalignment, creating a doubled image of the design. This doubling is most noticeable in the inscriptions, such as Liberty and the date. Another sought-after variety is the 1989 D-repunched mint mark, RPM, penny. This error occurs when the mint mark is punched into the die more than once, resulting in a doubled or overlapping appearance of the D mint mark. The rarity of these varieties and errors is influenced by several factors, including the condition of the coin and the number of known examples. Coins in mint state or higher grades are rarer and more valuable than those that have been circulated extensively. Professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, and the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, provide a standardized way to assess a coin's condition and authenticity. Coins graded by these organizations often command higher prices due to the assurance of their quality and rarity. Collectors should be aware of what to look for when searching for rare varieties. Magnification tools and reference guides can help identify key features of valuable coins. Networking with other collectors and joining numismatic societies can also provide valuable insights and opportunities to acquire rare coins. Now, let's talk about the value of the 1989 penny. Determining the value of a coin involves several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Grading and condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers indicating better condition. Uncirculated coins, those with a grade of 60 or higher, are generally more valuable than circulated ones. The presence of luster, sharpness of the strike, and lack of wear are key indicators of a coin's grade. The value of 1989 pennies has shown a steady increase over the years, particularly for those in higher grades or with notable errors. Current market values vary, but a high-grade 1989 penny can fetch a significant amount at auction. Factors influencing the value include the coin's condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Recent sales of high-grade 1989 pennies have shown a range of prices. For example, a 1989 double-die obverse penny in mint state can sell for anywhere from $50 to several $100s, depending on the grade. Coins with significant errors or in exceptionally high grades can fetch even higher prices, sometimes reaching into the thousands. Recent auctions have seen notable sales of 1989 pennies, particularly those with rare errors or in exceptional condition. High-profile auctions. One of the most notable recent auctions was held by Heritage Auctions, where a 1989 double-die obverse penny in MS-67 condition sold for over $1,500. Another high-value transaction involved a 1989 DRPM penny, which fetched nearly $1,200 at auction. There have been several record sales for 1989 pennies in recent years. For example, a 1989 D penny with a high grade sold for over $1,000 at a Stack's Bowers event. These record sales highlight the ongoing interest and demand for rare pennies among collectors. Price fluctuations in the market can be influenced by various factors, including market demand, the discovery of new specimens, and the overall health of the numismatic market. Experts often weigh in on these trends, offering predictions and insights into future values.